Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing really amazing. So we will see today's daily challenge on Leetcode and we will try to solve it together. So today's challenge is a really simple one. So let's get done with it quickly. Minimum absolute distance between mirror pairs. You are given an integer array nums, and you need to tell what is the minimum absolute distance between the indices of any mirror pairs. And mirror pair is defined how? Uh, a pair choose a pair of indices I comma j where I is less than j, and reverse if you reverse the number at position I, you get the number at position j. Okay, if such a kind of thing happens where reverse of x denotes the integer form by reversing the digits of x and leading zeros are also omitted. For example, if you reverse 120, you should be getting 0 to 1. So leading 0 0 to 1, it means 21 only. Okay, so this is the thing, and return the minimum absolute distance between the indices of any mirror pair, and if no such mirror pair exists, return -1. So you see, I hope this is really simple to do. This is a simple two sum problem kind of thing. So what you need to do, if you just take this example, 12, 21, 45, 33, 54. So 12, 21, 45, 33, 54. So you need to tell me that if I reverse this 12, you get 21, right? And this is 21 also. So this is a mirror pair and they are present at a distance of 1, only distance of 1 from each other. Okay, so that can be anything. How do we do that? You can simply keep a map. This is very similar to the two sum problem if you have done, right? Uh, so uh, if you just keep a map of the reverse number, so reverse number, you keep a map of the reverse number and its position. Okay, so it just store every number whenever you encounter, you just store this in the map. Okay, you reverse that number, store its position. So whenever you encounter this 12, you reverse the number, you get 21 and store its position, its index number. Okay, so its index number is 0. Again you encounter this one, you store its position. Again you encounter 45, you store its position 54, and so on. You will do this for all the numbers. But whenever you actually go from 12 to 21, you see that this 21 value is present already in the map. Okay, when you are processing this 21 value, the map is created only till this one because only 12 has been processed. Okay, so only this element is present in the map and its index number is 0, right? So what you do, you just subtract the current index, okay, I minus the map of the nums of I. Okay, you just update this in your final answer. Okay, so whatever your answer, you just do minimum of answer comma this. Okay, and you at the end you can just simply return answer, and that will be just all. That will be just all for this problem. The coding is also very simple. The explanation is also, I hope, pretty obvious to you. So let's just quickly do it. You see, integer n we have as the total length of the array, and let's give an unordered map because it has an amortized O of 1 complexity. So we generally tend to use a unordered map. So after this, we just go through all the numbers, right? Uh, and we do what? We try to check whether this number is already present in the map. Okay, so that's what we check. For this 21, we see that if it is already present in the map, that is some reverse number previously has been stored in the map, then update the distance accordingly, right? So you also need to have an integer answer n. Okay, and if map of map dot count, okay, of the particular element nums of I. If it is present in the map, then what you do, you update your answer, right? Minimum of answer, comma, uh, I minus go to that particular index in this map. Okay, so that's how you update the distance. I hope you do understand. This is quite simple only. And otherwise, what you do, you just reverse the number and store it in the map. Now, how to reverse the number? It's very simple. You can just first convert the number into a string. So you have the function toString, which can help you to convert this number into string. Then you use the reverse function to uh, reverse this string. Okay. So, and finally, you can just convert this string to the integer with the function stoi, string to integer. Okay. So you can just convert this string to integer and simply store it in the map. So you just tell that, hey, the reverse number of the initial number is this, and its position is this particular I. So that this value stored right now will be helpful in some future values, right? So yeah, that is it. You can just return answer. But this is not really. If you see that this answer is not updated at all, you need to return -1, because if no mirror pair exists, you return -1. So if you see that if answer is equals to n, that is not updated at all, just return -1. So yeah, it will be all. You try to submit this, you do get a wrong answer. Uh, let us just quickly check that why we got such a kind of wrong answer. So n equal to nums dot size unordered map int comma int is map, and we go through all the elements. If map dot count, if it is present in the map, you just minimize your answer, right? Just minimize your answer of whatever thing which is present in the map, and uh, you see, you write the reverse function, it will be s dot begin, s dot end. Okay, so yeah, that was a simple mistake. I hope you would have noticed that, and yeah, it is accepted. You can just submit it. I hope it will work just fine, and there should be no issues in this. So yeah, runtime complexities are not that good. If you want to improve your runtime complexity, what you can do is you can try to do this reverse operation by using numbers only and not convert into string. Okay, you can try to do that. But yeah, this is also fine. This is also acceptable very much. So yeah, that's all. That's all for this video, I guess. I hope you would have solved it on your own also. Yeah, even if you could not solve it on your own, I hope it is now very clear. And yeah, just keep practicing and you will definitely improve. That's all. That's all for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks a lot.